In front of me is REALME C63, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove widget pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second one by hitting remove. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!